Considering a whole roof solar tile system with batteries? You're probably wondering how much that beast is going to set you back. So here's the deal. These systems can be seriously pricey, with all-in costs sometimes hitting over $120,000. But don't freak out just yet. There are tax credits and incentives that can chop that down to about $93,000, which is still a lot but way more manageable. First off, think about your roof size and energy needs, because that totally shapes the cost and setup. You gotta pick the right solar tiles that blend with your home style, but also deliver enough juice daily. Batteries are key too, since they store the energy for when the sun's not shining, so choose ones with good capacity and lifespan. Don't forget installation. That's not just slapping tiles on your roof. It involves wiring, permits, and sometimes upgrades to your electrical panel. Maintenance is pretty low, but still something you want to plan for, like keeping panels clean and checking battery health regularly. And seriously, get multiple quotes from local contractors who know their stuff and can help you navigate rebates and permits. One of the biggest slip-ups people make when getting solar tile systems is underestimating the upfront cost, thinking it's cheaper than it actually is. The fix? Do your homework on pricing and factor in all parts of the system, not just the tiles. Another common problem is ignoring roof condition. If your roof isn't solid, installing solar tiles will cost extra or cause headaches later. So, get a roof inspection before you commit. Lastly, many folks mess up by not maximizing available government tax credits and incentives, missing out on big savings. The easiest way to dodge this is to work with a contractor who stays on top of current programs and paperwork. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer if you're looking for reliable local contractors who specialize in solar installations. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who are ready to get projects done right without the usual hassle.